This is Costco Pork Belly. Hey everyone! Welcome! I'm Caton Van. Today, I'll be starting a fire with logs and then cooking Pork Belly BBQ over it. Since it's the off-season for camping, there's no one around. We could have used the campsite fire pit, but with a little rain coming down, we're heading over to the picnic shelter. This is my kitchen today. I built a fire and had a cup of coffee. To season the cast iron pan, rub it with a piece of pork fat, repeating the process several times to get that oil into the pan. I am going to sear the pork belly block for about 10 minutes on the top, bottom, and all sides. The kids are getting hungry, so I've moved the main pork belly block over to the side grill. I'm slicing one chunk into 2 centimeters pieces to cook separately so they can eat sooner. Now you can see nice golden brown. My friends here are from Taiwan and they have their kids with them, so I'll definitely add kimchi next time. I am waiting these pork belly. Even when my wife and kid are away in Taiwan and I'm on my own, I always cook up a pork belly BBQ like this to take home. When I slice it up and put it into my ramen at home, it becomes the ultimate BBQ Chashu Ramen. The wait is over. It's finally time for the feast. Look at this fantastic pork belly. Wow, this might be the most intensely juicy pork belly I've ever eaten. Stay tuned for the next one.